Hello, my name is Evan. I'm playing Super Mario Maker. I'm gonna finish this course here. You know, hmm. Oops, big mistake, big mistake. Those Koopas are also mean. Hmm. And then you just have those. Hey, come on. I'm just gonna start here where I was at. I was right here. All of those Koopas have sound effects on them. You know, all of those Koopas, hmm, they're afraid to get stepped on. Huh. You know, look. I'll go into sound effects. I'm gonna put this car. You know. Got scared. Hmm. Wait, hold on a second. How did I get fireworks on me? Hmm. All those Koopa tunes. Hmm. Hmm. You know all those. Hmm. Let's see. Hmm. You know. This Koopa's crazy. You know. However, what creation you can be. I skipped one. I skipped three of them. One up there. I'm gonna make more. Here comes again. I'm gonna make him get dizzy again. Come on. These Koopas are crazy. Those Koopas are crazy looking turtles. You know, let's start the game. I'm doing good. Ah, game over. How'd I die? Man, you know, all those games are getting on my nerves. Huh. I hate them. See, look. Hold up. Not again. I failed, but too bad I added that course. And you know I can't get rid of it when I get dizzy. And you know. You know. He yelling. My friend Martavis thought he said, "Oh man." Oh man. Huh. You know, let's let's forget about it. You know. Can you just duplicate that? Destroy those Goombas. Or Koopas, I mean. You know. Hold up. Wait, hold a second. Yeah, I need it on fireworks. I have to do all of them. Not all of them. Some of them. Okay, all of them, right? Let's see. Seems like they look like they swimming. The red ones, the red shell kind, look like they swimming. Okay, there it goes. Pose. And let's see if we can easily make those places. I'm almost there. Yep, I'm almost there. I just have to make myself go down. Oh, I don't have any more items no more. Boo and stuff. Boo. I don't have any more items. Let's see. They can work. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see if I got all my sound effects. Set all those Koopas. Let's see. Yep, my level is now complete. I'm gonna save this and upload this course. I'm gonna save this. Sound effects. Sound effects. You know. Let's see. Where's the... Okay, here it is. And you know I can't be able to beat this one. No one. This one's an expert course. Uh-oh. No, oh. You know how make courses like that. I didn't die this time. Careful. Uh-oh. Another song like that. You know. Koopa jumps. Yes! Yes! I did it without dying. I did it without dying. Okay. Now, I'll see you next time on those Koopa jumps. You know. I'll see you next time when I'll show you my upload course. See you next time. Bye.